So guys, in this video we will be seeing how a SOC analyst will mitigate a DOS attack step by step. So these are the videos which help you to prepare for the interviews or get the knowledge in the cybersecurity domain. So if you find my videos useful, please subscribe my channel and share this video among your friends. So let us start and see how a SOC analyst mitigate a DOS attack step by step. Mitigating a denial of service attack involves stopping or minimizing the impact of the attack to ensure that legitimate users can access the targeted resource. Here's a step-by-step guide on how a SOC analyst might handle a DOS attack. Detection and identification. Use network monitoring tools such as IDS and IPS to detect the unusual spikes in traffic or patterns that indicate a DOS attack. Analyze the attack traffic to understand its nature and the targeted resources. Alert and notification. This is the next step where you notify relevant teams such as IT, network administrator, and management about the ongoing DOS attack. Ensure that the communication channels are open and information is shared effectively. Traffic isolation. Identify the affected system and services and isolate them from the rest of the network to prevent the attack from spreading. Use network segmentation or firewall rules to limit the impact of the attack on other resources. Traffic filtering and rate limiting. You need to configure firewalls or specialized DOS protection appliances to filter out the malicious traffic based on known attack signatures or unusual behavior. You need to implement rate limiting to control the amount of incoming traffic, preventing overload. Block holing and sinkholing. Use black holing to divert attack traffic to a black hole network segment where it is dropped without affecting the rest of the network. Sinkholing involves redirecting the traffic to a controlled environment where it can be analyzed without causing harm. You can use content delivery network (CDNs). Utilize CDNs to distribute traffic across multiple servers and data centers, which can help absorb and mitigate the impact of DOS attack by distributing the load. Cloud-based protection services are also used to mitigate the DOS attack. Engage cloud-based security services that specialize in mitigating DOS attacks, as they can often handle large-scale traffic filtering and absorb the attack traffic. Analyze attack traffic. Examine the characteristics of the attack traffic to identify any new attack vectors or patterns that may require adjustment in the defense strategy. Incident documentation. Maintain detailed records of the attack, including timestamps, affected systems, traffic patterns, and response actions taken. This documentation is valuable for post-incident analysis and reporting. Communication and stakeholder updates. Keep stakeholders informed about the progress of the attack mitigation efforts. Provide regular updates to management, affected users, and any other relevant parties. Recovery and service restoration. Once the attack is under control, work on restoring the affected services and systems. Gradually reintroduce legitimate traffic to ensure there are no lingering issues. So this is very important step: post-incident analysis and improvement. Conduct a thorough post-incident analysis to understand the attack's impact and the effectiveness of the mitigation strategies. Use the insights gained to update incident response plans and enhance the organization's defense mechanism against future DOS attacks. Remember that the traffic steps may vary based on the nature and severity of the DOS attack, as well as the organization's existing security infrastructure. Regular training and well-defined incident responses plans and the collaboration with the security professionals are essential for such DOS attack mitigation. So these are the important steps in mitigating DOS attack. Hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.